Punctuations. Punctuations are signs used to properly organize sentences. Learning proper punctuations is important so that the speaker would understand your sentence clearly. There are different types of punctuations. The first one is the period. A period is used to indicate a full stop. It marks the end of the sentence. So when you get to see a period, you ought to stop reading for a while. Examples: listen to how I stop reading for a while at periods. The first one: Simon is my friend. He lives next door. The next one: Susan is beautiful, but she's not friendly. The second one is the question mark. A question mark is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence or a question. Examples: do you have a pen? Is this pen yours? Can I have your number? Next is the exclamation point. An exclamation point is used at the end of a sentence which expresses strong feelings, or what we call the interjections. Examples: you are so stupid. That was splendid. Wow! Next is the comma. A comma separates items in series and other parts of sentences. Examples: my sisters are Sarah, Jane, and Wendy. Mangoes, bananas, and cherries are my favorite fruits. When her mom came, she was washing the dishes. Next is the quotation mark. A quotation mark is used to show the exact words of the person or the speaker. Examples: my grandfather used to say, follow your dreams. We can't be friends anymore, she said. Next is the parenthesis. This is used when we want to include an extra information in our sentences. These pieces of information that we include are usually not that important. Examples: my older sister, who is now a mom, is coming home soon. Lisa, the most beautiful girl I know, is now my brother's girlfriend. We do not capitalize the start of sentences or clauses that we put inside the parentheses, and we don't also put other quotation marks. Apostrophe. We use an apostrophe for contractions and to show possession. Examples: I don't like vegetables. Don't here is a contraction. The original sentence is, I do not like vegetables. We replace O with an apostrophe. Next example: that is Peter's mom. In this sentence, apostrophe is used to show possession. Colon. A colon is used before a list. It is also used after a clause to indicate that an explanation is about to follow. Examples: these are things that you need to do. Feed Rocky, clean the house, and water the plants. This is the only way to patch things up. Admit your fault and say sorry. Semicolon. A semicolon is used to join two clauses that are closely related and for complicated lists. Examples: I like fruits like mangoes, pears, and grapefruit, vegetables like cabbage and carrots, and sweets like chocolates. This is quite a complicated list. That's why we need to use a semicolon. Another one: Jane doesn't like to try swimming. She's afraid to drown. These two clauses are closely related to each other. A hyphen is used to separate compound words. Examples: ex-husband, father-in-law, three-headed. The last one is the dash. A dash is used to show a break in thought of the writer or the speaker. Examples: Jack's presents, no matter how small, are very precious to me. Mrs. Smith's children, Jack, Jim, and Mary, are my friends. For our exercise, put proper punctuations for the following sentences. The first one: My best friends are John, Eric, and Ben. The proper sentence should be: My best friends are John, Eric, and Ben. We need to put commas after John and Eric, and a period after Ben. The second one: I didn't attend class last Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because I was not feeling well. The proper sentence should be: I didn't attend class last Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because I was not feeling well. We need to put an apostrophe between the letters N and T because it is a contraction, a comma after the words Monday and Tuesday, and a period after the sentence. The third one: These are my favorite movies: The Mist, The Ring, and The Grudge. The proper sentence should be: These are my favorite movies: The Mist, The Ring, and The Grudge. We need to put a colon after the word movies because this indicates that a list is about to follow. We also need to put commas after the words The Mist and The Ring, and a period after the word grudge. The last one: I got an A in math and science, B in history, physics, and English, and C in geography. The correct sentence is: I got an A in math and science, B in history, physics, and English, and C in geography. This is a complicated list. That's why we need to put a semicolon after the words science and English, comma after the words history and physics, and a period at the end of the sentence. Did you get them right?